We will go to read the story. The Law of the Jungle. Everyone who lived in the jungle was aware of the law of the jungle. Okay, earlier I told you that wolf family has a law. Everyone must abide the law. Here it is, in this description it is written here. Everyone who lived in the jungle was aware of the law of the jungle. Everyone means every animals who lived in the jungle. A wolf might marry and start a family. So that means no other animals was allowed to marry. Only for the wolf it is allowed to marry and start a family. When the calves were old enough to move around confidently, they were to be presented before the members of the council for a looking over, a phrase which the pack had coined. Recognition is must, because in human beings, in our family or in human beings, no animal interferes. But whenever other member or other, you can say, other animals enters in wolf family, they have to take recognition from the member head of the family. Unless you will not be allowed to come with them. Okay. In these situations, Mowgli has to be recognized by the wolf family. Unless he will not be allowed in their pack. So this is how the calves were to seek the approval to be admitted into the pack. Okay. Unless they will not be allowed to approve or to be admitted into their pack, recognition is must. Recognition means more than 2 or 3 animal or wolves or other animals may speak with the members with whom to be recognized. The pack council meeting were held on a monthly basis on every full moon night. Soon the time came when Father Wolf and Mother Wolf presented their calves for a looking over at the pack council meeting. It was held at the top of a hill that was covered with stones and boulders. So, pack council meeting will be held in a particular place. So, you have to remember the place here. It was held at the top of the hill that was covered with stones. Okay. So, the place of the meeting is important. It may come in exam as a question. Every month on a full moon night, many wolves meet there. Not only one, many wolves have to present there and have to take part in the discussion. And Akela the lone wolf would sit atop a large rock to preside over the meeting. So leader is the Akela, the lone wolf. That means he is not promoted himself to make a family, okay, or to marriage. Would sit atop large rock or preside over the meeting. He was the leader of the pack. That day, about 40 wolves were sitting below him in circles to look over the calves. The older wolves were examining the young calves. Now it is duty of Akela to examine all the calves who will be allowed in the pack or who will not be allowed in the pack. Akela the lone wolf howled aloud. O wolves, follow the laws, look over well, observe carefully. This is the order of Akela. All mother wolves were anxious and tense during this process because they are not certain whether their calf will be allowed in the pack or not. That's why they are unconscious or they are uncertain. Look over well, observe carefully. Okay. All mother wolves were anxious and tense during this process. It was not different with Mother Wolf. She presented her young calves and the man calf Mowgli. As Mother Wolf's turn come, then Mother Wolf has to show her calf whose name was Mowgli, and Mother Wolf was in very tense. What will happen next? Even as the elder wolves were looking over the calves, a roar was heard from behind a huge boulder. Earlier I told you the Sher Khan is ready to take the child, take the baby, but father wolf and mother wolf denied to give him. That's why he is so much in rage and anger. He came. Sher Khan emerged and explained aloud, "This man cub is mine. A man cub is of no use to you wolves, the free people." Some young wolves found logic in Sher Khan's words. They thought, although it is a man cub, so why do you select this man cub in our pack family? This is the big question. And some wolves also agree this fact. Therefore, they growled in ancient and addressed Akela, the lone wolf. "Yes, why must we keep this man cub at all?" Many wolves agreed with Sher Khan, and they also keep saying, "Yes, why must we keep this man cub at all?" And in this point, in this circumstance, mother wolf wasn't very much in tense and in uncertainty. According to the law of the jungle, if ever any dispute arose regarding the lack of qualities that barred a cub from joining the pack, then two members of the council who were not the cub's parents could speak on the cub's behalf. Okay, this is again I am telling, some laws is maintained by the packs. If nobody agrees with the new cub, then out of their pack, two animal will be allowed to speak with the new baby. Akela the lone wolf inquired in a loud growl, "Who wants to speak for the man cub?" For a few minutes there was complete silence, and mother wolf's anxiety grew. It is quite possible, because mother wolf is very much tense whether his baby will be allowed in their pack or not. When she suddenly heard a grunt, she wondered who would speak up for the little Mowgli. Everyone turned at the direction where the grunt had come from. They saw Balu, the big brown bear. He was the one who taught the law of the jungle to everyone, especially to the wolf cubs and others who came to attend the pack council meeting. Thanks to Balu that he came forward and helped Mother Wolf. Balu grunted aloud and declared, I will speak for the man cub. I will be his teacher, and he will learn all the laws of the jungle as all the other wolf cubs have done. I see no harm if he stays in the pack. Does anyone see any harm if he runs with the pack? It's a good approach by the Balu. If Balu couldn't stand with Mother Wolf may be hopeless or helpless. In the circumstances, Balu come forward and help Mother Wolf and Father Wolf. No one speak a word. Then Akela asked aloud, who seconds Balu's claim? Who else will speak for the man cub? As per the law, 2 animals is needed, and one is Balu and other who? Everyone waited for a second voice. Suddenly a dark shadow dropped in the middle of the group. It was Bagheera, the Black Panther. He was inky black all over the lovely patterned marking. It is a description. Of the group Bagheera. So you have to underline it. It may come in exam also. Patterned marking. His black coat was soft to touch. He had a voice as soft, as sweet as wild honey. He purred aloud and spoke, I am not a part of your pack or your council, yet I know that the law of the jungle declares that if any doubt arises about a cub's admission into the pack, then his life can be bought at a price. He wanted to bargain with the other animals. He knew very well that if no one will approve himself, no one approve him, so he has to do something so that everyone accept him and also agree his view. So he brought a price for them. I am willing to pay this price. I have just killed a bull about half a mile from here. You can have the bull if you agree to keep the man cub with you amongst you. Thanks to Bagheera also. So there are 2 animals who have got. One Balu and another Bhagira. Okay, the ever hungry younger wolves could hardly resist Bhagira's tempting offer. They readily agreed to the bargain. They howled in unison again, "Oh, what can this little naked man cub do harm to us? We will let him run with the pack. Bhagira, will you lead us to the bull?" That means all the wolves agreed with the opinion of Bhagira and Balu, and ultimately Mowgli was accepted in wolf family. Sher Khan, who was standing there silently and observing everything, was enraged at the turn of events. He roared in anger as he left the meeting. After the meeting was over, he vowed to take revenge from all those who had taken the man cub away from him. As Bhagira heard the roaring tiger leaving the venue, he said, "Oh, Sher Khan, go on roaring, but mark my words, one day this man cub will surely make you dance and sing on a different tune." Then Akela, the lone wolf, declared, "Take him away, O Rakshasa, and keep him with you. The man cub shall run with us, the free people." This is the story. Oh, left here something. Thus Mowgli came to be the member of the Seeonee wolf pack at the price of a bull and Balu's good words. Now that Mowgli was a member of the wolf family, he had all the time to spend happy hours with them. Soon he grew close to the mother wolf and had a special bond with the eldest cub brother Grey. That means Grey Wolf. He spent long hours playing and hunting with him. He experienced many adventurous incidents. If one were to recount all the incidents in written form, it would probably take several books to record them. In time, Mowgli and the other cubs learned how to hunt in the jungle. Father Wolf made them learn what the signs and changes meant in a jungle. Mowgli learned from Father Wolf how to listen to the jungle sounds and observe the events. At the points, in one time, Bhagira heard and roaring, and he declares that one day this man cub will surely make you dance and sing one different tunes. Is the point. Why such kind of words? Why such kind of words Bhagira saying to Sher Khan? Because Sher Khan is strong enough and he can hunt easily to any animal. No one is against him and no one can resist him. But whenever the man cub, that means Mowgli, will grow up and he will be more intelligent. As per human brain is more developed than animal, and he will make them fun and he will make them correct punishment. This is the actual meaning of this sentence. Okay, so in this short story we came to know that a man cub is brought by mother and father wolf in the pack family, and they are uncertain whether their man cub will be allowed in their pack or not. At first, everyone denied to take him into their part, but after, as per law of the jungle, after the aggression of Balu and Bhagira, when they accept or when they pointed their view that he may be taken in their pack family, then the matter became easy. For this, Bhagira had to pay a bull. Now, after taking the bull, they made a bargaining, and ultimately Mowgli was allowed in the pack family. Is the story. Okay. Next day, I will discuss about the question answers. If it is possible in this video talking, otherwise I will give you the answer in PDF. You will get the answer after 2 days. After 2 days, you will get the question answers. Okay.